Change the angle of the angle there. Put that in there, give us a little more torque. Yeah, it's a handy little ratchet. Hope I don't strip it out. Oh, there it goes. Look at that. No problem. Go ahead and open this. I don't want to change the angle of that really. I also don't want to paint any witness marks on there either. So, do what we do. Take that one off. I'm going to get a little Loctite and we're going to shoot a little dab on that. I went with black because this casing is black. It just got a chrome cover on it. I would like to do the diamonds in the jugs. I think that looks sharp. They say it helps with potential more surfacing to cool or whatnot, but I don't know if that's true or not. I think it looks cool though. Got a little lock heights. One right on the count. Loctite stick. Got a stick. Loctite stick. I think my angle needs to come up just a hair. Maybe not. Right there. I think that's it. We'll try there. If not, I'll move it. Just gonna put, not going crazy, just put a little bit in there to be in the thread, just a taste. Click. I think I like it right there. So, yeah. Honestly, that's the first time I really used that, but yeah, that came in really handy right there. Didn't have to take the floorboard off or nothing. I think I'm happy with that. Feels alright. But that's all we were doing, was putting that little thing right there on. I bet that's supposed to tighten up just a little more. Let me loosen that up and see if it slides up anymore. That's a little flatter across the face there. I give it a fuzz, but honestly, I may need a new, or cut me a little rubber washer to go there. I don't know. We're gonna do this for now though. Be fine for now. That feels good. So I think that's all right. And we will put this over in our stock of stuff, but all I was doing today is that right there. I'm gonna give it a whirl around the block here in a minute and see how I like that. But I got some fancy side zip real deal rider boots that I couldn't fit. They wouldn't even fit in between there. And I don't have great big feet, so it's either not wear the boots or leave that on there. I kind of like the boots, but I gotta have them. You should ride with proper gear. You really should. But I don't a lot. If anybody cares, that's the one I got. Got it from Amazon. It was $9.67. I looked at the others that the real company had, and all the real companies wanted like 70, 60 bucks for them. That's good. So it's just a shim, really. So there we go. Thanks for watching.